Apple's new firmware iOS 17 comes with a lot of cool features, and one of the coolest features is the ability to send stickers and create stickers. It's now extremely easy. If you want to create a sticker and send it to someone using iMessage, first of all, tap on the plus button that you see here on the bottom left corner, tap stickers, and now these are some of the stickers that I already have created. If you want to create more, you need to tap on the plus button and then select any picture. I can select this, add sticker. See, it has already added in my sticker list. I can rearrange if I want to, so I can move the stickers on my screen and I can create more. So let's say if I want to create a sticker using this picture, let's see what it does. See, it's going to add the sticker. So this sticker is now added. I can start adding more. So let's say if I want to select this picture as well and add it as a sticker, see, it adds it as a sticker. Now I can simply either send the sticker on an existing message, so like this, or I can send this in the message form. For example, like this. I will just drop it in the message and now it's asking me to send it. So I've sent the sticker. You can see how cool this looks. The background and foreground are separated perfectly. I think this is a cool feature. Let me know what you guys think about this. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. And I'll catch you in the next video. Thanks, bye.